Tree trimming in Shreveport, Louisiana. One afternoon, a branch cracked and fell on a neighbor's car. No storm, no warning, just quiet wind. They had seen the branch hanging low for weeks, but thought, it's not a big deal. We hear this a lot. I knew it looked unsafe, but I didn't think it needed fixing right away. Trees don't always show signs before causing damage. When branches fall, you face repair costs and a big mess. Aguilar Lawn and Landscape finds those risky branches before they break. We trim them carefully to keep your home safe. We do more than cut branches. We help trees stay healthy and neat. Well-trimmed trees last longer and look nicer. Here's what we offer in Shreveport and nearby. Remove weak or heavy limbs that could fall. Thin and shape trees to improve health and yard's look. Clear branches from roofs, power lines, and driveways. Honest advice with no surprise fees or pressure. Ignoring tree trimming is like ignoring a small crack in your wall. It might seem small now, but can cause big problems. A quick trim now can stop damage later. Call Aguilar Lawn and Landscape at 318-309-6932 or visit aguilartreecare.com for a clear estimate. Don't wait for a branch to fall. Protect your home with a trim today.